Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something incredibly powerful. Restoration. Now we all face times when we feel broken, lost, or in need of renewal. But the Bible offers us incredible hope and promises of restoration. So, let's dive into some inspiring Bible verses that can uplift your spirit and bring you closer to God's promise of restoration. First up, we have Joel February 25th, 26. I will restore to you the years that the swarming locust has eaten. You shall eat in plenty and be satisfied, and praise the name of the Lord your God, who has dealt wondrously with you. Isn't that amazing? God promises to restore the lost years and fill us with abundance and satisfaction. Another powerful verse is found in Jeremiah 30:17. For I will restore health to you, and your wounds I will heal, declares the Lord. This verse reminds us that God's healing power is available to us. He is ready to mend our physical, emotional, and spiritual wounds. Then there's Psalm 23:3. He restores my soul. He leads me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake. This verse offers comfort, knowing that God not only restores our souls but also guides us on the right path. When we feel lost, he is there to lead us back. Next, let's look at Isaiah 61:7. Instead of your shame, there shall be a double portion. Instead of dishonor, they shall rejoice in their lot. Therefore in their land they shall possess a double portion. They shall have everlasting joy. This verse speaks to the incredible transformation that God brings. He takes our shame and turns it into joy, giving us a double portion of blessings. Lastly, let's reflect on 1 Peter 5:10. And after you have suffered a little while, the God of all grace, who has called you to his eternal glory in Christ, will himself restore, confirm, strengthen, and establish you. This verse reassures us that after our trials, God will personally restore and strengthen us. Friends, these verses remind us that no matter what we go through, God's promise of restoration is always near. Hold on to these truths, and let them bring hope and renewal to your heart. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more inspirational content. Until next time, stay blessed and hopeful.